Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add music to a old post on your Instagram. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So right now I have this photo of a dog on my profile. It's actually a blank account. So we have this photo, okay, and we want to add music to this. So normally you would try to go and edit this photo, and you see there's no real option to um, add a add music to this. So what do you do if there's a really old post? Like this post does not matter because I already have this photo in my camera roll, but sometimes there's a photo that is really old and you don't have it. So there's not much you can do in that case, because basically if you want to post something with a music, you have to create a new post and add the music. Then once it's posted, you cannot add the post, you cannot add the music. So in case you're using a old post, the only solution to do is you can take a screenshot by either directly from this, or you can showcase your old post. Like you can add these posts to your story so that your friends can view, and then you can tap on the music option and you can select something.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little.
Right, so that is how you could add music to an old post. I know this is not the most optimized solution, but sorry to burst your bubble, but you cannot directly add music to a post that has already been posted. So these were your only options. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.